Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis cat. Okay, so it's really bright out here today, so I'm painting. We have the sun out finally. But funny story, I was trying to get my camera situated, and so I leaned in to fix my camera on my ring light, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I dipped my hair right in it. So, party foul. Right here is where I did it, as you can see. Let me get that hair out of there. Hopefully it won't be too bad, but all right, so with that said, I've got some colors out here. I had a bunch of colors, so I just mixed them together. Some of them I know what they are, some of them are custom. I'll tell you the colors as I put them down. I think I'm going to do what I call a mirror swipe. It's where you put colors down the middle and then you swipe on both sides. So I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch.
I got all the signs, but I couldn't run then. I don't blame myself, couldn't see it coming. I know now, that's how they do it. They drag you in, just to leave you feeling stupid. Don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. You should never have to make excuses for his behavior towards you, the one he loses. I know they seem to understand now, but they will never change, no matter how hard you try. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. Hey, what goes around comes back around. Looks so pretty on the outside, got the eyes of an innocent one. You can never tell at the first glance, they'll never save the lessons for you. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think it turned out really pretty. I wasn't real thrilled with the middle part, so I just did some squigglies and tried to make it a little better. So, but these are so much fun. If you've never tried it, do it. It's a lot of fun. I really like them. I think the colors are really super pretty. The cells turned out good, all except for kind of in there, which I wasn't happy with. But all in all, I like it. I think it's really pretty and shimmery, and I love that part right there. And of course, my purple cells over here. You know I'm a purple girl, so. All right, up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after Sis, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. If you missed Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art, please go back and watch. They're all amazing artists and super, super amazing people, and I love them to pieces. All right, guys, have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.